Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to trade pro-firm accounts directly on TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView premium subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday sale deal in the description. In this deal, you will get the subscription of TradingView at 80% off, plus whichever subscription you are going to be purchased, you are going to get 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so make sure you check out the link in the description if you are interested. So in order to trade the prop firms directly here on TradingView, first of all, come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products, or you can also use the search bar. You can just launch the chart of any of the futures or the forex ticker which you basically like to trade. So once the chart is in front of you, simply click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom. Once you do this, you will see these types of brokers in front of you. So you need to click on the option of show all brokers. Now in 2026, you can't actually connect a pro firm directly by the name. Even if you search here in the search bar, let's say I search for funded account, you won't be able to find any. So you can connect the broker or the data feed your prop firm uses. Most of the prop firms run their funded or their evaluation accounts on the platforms like Tradeovate or 8cap or Think Markets, DX Trader, MT5, Rhythmic. So if your prop firm uses Tradeovate, let's say, you can just simply click on the icon of Tradeovate. You can use the search bar here on the top and look for it. When you click on it, it is going to ask you to provide your login credentials. So here, if you have a live account, simply provide your live account credentials. If you have a demo account, simply provide your demo account credentials. Then when you click on the option of connect, your account will be connected over here, and then you can start punching your order here on TradingView. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.